In this short video we are going to take a look at some of the new features in our latest Machine Sentry Android application version 2.6. In this latest update, the synchronization between the Android tablet and the main portal database has had a number of improvements. These improvements can all be found on the options page. One of the most noticeable ones, as soon as you log in, you will see a highlighted synchronization box. This will show us when we need to synchronize. If we enter the options page, we will see further options. One of the options here that has been added with this release is copy existing images from backup full sync. When this is selected, this will copy your images from the latest backup to your newest backup. That will mean less downloading time, and on our big site could save from 20 to 50% synchronization time. Second option here is to highlight the sync button after a certain amount of time. We can select what time we would like this, 20 hours, 27, 52 hours, and this, as we will see on the main page, will then highlight the box and show us that we need to perform a sync. The last new option here is to prompt when sync is overdue. This will only prompt when the user has a network connection, and this will show us a prompt box when we try and enter the site hierarchy. Once we have performed the first synchronization, you will see the highlight is removed and we can enter the site hierarchy without a prompt. Another new feature in version 2.6 is the ability to add pictures to actions, whether this is a new action or an old action already in the system. To do this, we would either add a new, or we can edit. When we go into the action itself, you will see edit image. This will launch the camera. You can take a photo. Press OK. Please remember to give it time to load the picture so that it's saved. You'll see the spinning icon at the bottom. Once that's done, we can go back to action and save. This picture will now be available once synchronized on the database as well. Thank you for watching this new features video. As always, if you have any further questions, please contact support@avtreliability.com.